In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the common issues with TradingView charts and how to fix them. TradingView is a fantastic platform for charting and analyzing the financial markets, but like any tool, it can sometimes present a few challenges. Whether it's due to browser hiccups, indicator conflicts, or device limitations, I've got you covered with solutions to keep your charts running smoothly and effectively. Let's start by looking at browser problems. If you're having trouble with TradingView charts not loading or working properly, there are a few common culprits to investigate. Your browser is essential for rendering TradingView charts, and using an outdated or incompatible version might cause them to malfunction. Additionally, excessive cache data can conflict with TradingView updates, leading to sluggish performance or glitches. Missing JavaScript or WebGL support is another common issue that can affect how indicators and price movements display. Moreover, extensions like ad blockers can interfere with TradingView's scripts, causing charts to stop working as expected. To troubleshoot these issues, consider a few simple but effective fixes. Start by clearing your cache and cookies. Head to your browser settings and delete stored data to remove outdated scripts that might conflict with TradingView. Ensure your browser is up to date, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, since older versions may lack necessary compatibility updates. Make sure JavaScript and WebGL are enabled, as TradingView relies heavily on these technologies. If browser extensions are the cause, try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the problem. Running your browser in incognito mode can also help rule out interference from stored settings or conflicting cookies. If the problem remains, test TradingView on a different browser to see if it's a specific browser issue. Lastly, resetting your browser settings to default can resolve unknown issues preventing TradingView from loading properly. We often face indicator conflicts and scaling problems when too many indicators cramp up our charts. While using multiple indicators can be informative, an overload can cause conflicts and lead to inaccurate data visualization. You might notice conflicting indicator signals, scaling problems, or unreadable price movements. Auto-scaling misconfiguration can make crucial trading signals harder to spot, while some indicators with extensive historical data can force your chart to zoom out unnecessarily. To fix these problems, start by removing and reapplying your indicators one at a time to catch any conflicts. Right-click on the chart and select Reset Scale if you encounter unintended zooming issues. Adjust your auto-scaling settings to fit everything within the chart view. Limiting the number of indicators to 5 per chart can help prevent overload and keep performance smooth. For those using custom PineScript indicators, ensure they're updated and compatible with the latest TradingView version. Finally, let's address device-specific issues. TradingView's performance can lag on older or low-powered devices, especially when managing complex charts. For desktop users, ensure your graphics drivers are updated and optimized for WebGL rendering. Enabling hardware acceleration in your browser settings can significantly enhance graphical efficiency. On mobile, older smartphones or tablets might struggle due to limited processing abilities. It's important for Android users to keep the Android WebView component updated, as TradingView relies on it for rendering. By allocating enough system resources, updating your device, enabling hardware acceleration, and closing unnecessary apps, you can ensure smoother charting and analysis. Desktop users should also consider upgrading RAM or using a high refresh rate monitor for the best experience. Keep these tips in mind and you'll enjoy a faster, more reliable performance on TradingView, enhancing your trading journey.